Today we're going to tackle the ASKO Dishwasher F11 Error, where we have a drainage alert, but this is for when the pump actually works and when the line has been cleaned out. One thing you may have seen on other videos is to check the line and to make sure that it's clear, so you can disconnect that and run a cycle and clean out any clogs. But if that doesn't solve it for you, and that didn't solve it for me, then you may have another problem, and that could be the pressure sensor getting triggered. Other videos also talk about the pressure sensor being broken, but in our case, we didn't have it broken. We simply had a clog down here. Now, in this area, I've been spending time cleaning in here, but I didn't know until I looked harder how to get this piece out. So what you do is you rotate this to the left, and this whole piece will come out. And in here, what I found was a whole lot of old food and crud, and the pressure sensor itself is in this hole. And when I put my finger in there, you could feel a whole lot of grimy food residue. So what I did is I used a syringe to squirt some water in there, and I also used an old toothbrush. I cut it in half so that I could get right into the space and be able to clean it out. So what came out of there, it was pretty disgusting, but I ran a couple of 7-minute rinse cycles and the problem was solved. So all we have to do now is put it back together, and voila, F11 problem solved. Again, this is for when the sensor works and the pressure sensor works and when the line is clean. Thanks. Please do like the video if you liked the video and if it was helpful.